Ever picked up your Samsung phone and suddenly everything looks different because it's stuck in safe mode? Yeah, it's annoying, but don't panic. In the next few seconds, I'll show you 3 super easy ways to turn it off and get your phone back to normal instantly. Method 1. Notification panel. Fix first, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. If safe mode is active, you may see a message saying safe mode is on. Simply tap on that notification. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap OK or disable safe mode. In many cases, your phone will instantly restart and exit safe mode automatically. Method 2. Restart from quick settings. Again, swipe down twice from the top of your screen to fully open the quick settings menu. Now look for the power icon and tap it. A power menu will appear on your screen. Tap restart and confirm your action. Your Samsung phone will reboot normally and safe mode should be turned off after restart. Method 3. Button restart fix. If the above methods don't work, press and hold the power button plus volume down button together for a few seconds. When the power menu appears, tap restart and confirm again. Wait for your phone to reboot completely. This forced restart often fixes safe mode issues and brings your device back to normal mode. And just like that, your Samsung phone is back in normal mode again. No stress, no confusion, just quick fixes that actually work. If this video saved your time, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple Android tips, and I'll see you in the next one.